amazing right here. Right in here off of Grants Road is a really cool rest area. Unfortunately, it's closed right now, but you've got all these red rocks and pretty amazing scenery right in this area, right as we come into Arizona. Welcome to Arizona. That's that rest area right in there. You got all these views from that rest area, and it's a 24-hour overnight. Look at that. It's amazing. Hello, Arizona. Thank you, New Mexico. So I haven't cleared the trip odometer. So you can see that. We're at 12.4 miles per gallon for the whole trip. 3,150 miles so far. .4 is not too bad. I'll do a final tally of what the mileage was when I get back to home in Millville, but that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So I think I'll stop one more time before I get into Williams, and if I decide to go up to Tusayan by South Rim of Grand Canyon, I'll stop at the Walmart in Winslow again and stock up on groceries and get another thing of ginger ale, and might need a little bit more coffee. I've been drinking a lot more coffee on this trip than than I thought I was going to, so I'll hit that, and then should be around the Grand Canyon or the Williams area in just a couple of hours. Look at this trailer. Think he's got a suspension problem? He just passed me going about 75. That thing must have a broken hanger or something. Shackles all goofed up. So we're getting ready to start the climb up to Flagstaff. You can see the snow-covered hills out there in the distance. Well, I can. I don't know if you can. Maybe you can. Be bad. Right out there. So 53 miles to Flagstaff. Miles east of Flagstaff. About 82 degrees. A lot nicer than when we came through heading east in that snowstorm. Trucks all over the road. Take this. Alright, Flagstaff city limit. That's a controlled burn. It's a big one. Don't need to start that this early in the year. Alright, Williams, 7 miles. I'm gonna go past the turnoff to the Grand Canyon, which is in about 5 miles. And fuel up, grab lunch in Williams, take a little break from the road. I've been driving for about 4 hours. So take a little break and then head on up to the Grand Canyon. Should be there by, should be at the South Rim by about 3:30. Plenty of time. Scout out some locations for sunset. Pretty stoked about that. That is a great big forest fire out there. I don't think it's a prescribed burn. That's a wildfire. I'm not 100% sure, but that looks pretty big. But it's clear up toward the Grand Canyon, so it should be good. That right up there is the RV park that I stayed at on the way up here a couple weeks ago. Nice park. And there's the Loves. Alright, I'm in Williams, sitting in a gravel parking lot beside the McDonald's. Just went in and grabbed some lunch real quick. I've been eating out of the camper for 3 weeks and figured, well, what the heck, I'll grab McDonald's instead of a can of soup. So I'm gonna head over and get a few groceries and start heading north on 64 up through to Zion. Now I might stop just to scout out a boondocking location and then make my way up into the park. So I want to get there for sunset photography, which should be no problem. I should be there by 4 o'clock or so. So I'll catch you guys when I'm up there. Even the McDonald's here is beautiful. We have great weather besides the fire that's over there. But hopefully back the other way, it's good and clear. Grand Canyon, here we come. 50 miles. Well, a little bit more than 50 miles.
En route.
50 miles to Zion. If these clouds stick around, we're going to have a brilliant sunset, that's for sure. The skies are looking great for sunset. Just past Road 320 by Red Hill. Red Hill's out to my right. So we're in National Forest land. I'm hoping I can find a place right into Zion. If not, I can come back this way. We're 18 miles outside of the park. So we've got about 10 miles to Zion and another few miles into Grand Canyon. There's more boondocking right up here. That's another possibility. I'm not too worried about it. I might even get an RV park somewhere into Zion. It'd be nice if I had power tonight because I got to work on my report from RV Tech School, RV inspection class. Get my report finished and converted to a PDF and sent out. Alright, Road Road 347, there's another one. There's a lot of good spots back in there from what I've seen on Google Earth. Today's Monday, so I'm hoping that it won't be too crowded. I'm sure it will be, but it could be worse. At least it's not a Saturday. There's 306 and 688. All of those are pretty good. Helicopter coming in. One of the tours. Welcome to Sion. Founded 1934. 6,540 feet elevation. Lots of restaurants. There's an RV park up here. Grand Canyon Camper Village. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you, you too. Time. All right, Mather Point Overlook, a third of a mile. That's what we want if we can find parking. Elk right there. All right, I know that's kind of mean, but this video is already about 13.5 minutes long. So next video is Grand Canyon. You guys got to watch this. It's absolutely gorgeous. See you on the next one. Later.